Well, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the MST CMX Unimog ready to run truck. Let's take a look at the packaging. You can see here front CVAs, transmission gear set, transmission dust cover, C-channel frames, realistic scale tires, good steering angle, 4-link suspension, and oil-filled dampers. Side of the box, the rear. Like I said, this is a ready-to-run truck. They do have a kit, but they ran out of those, and this is the only thing left, the RTR. These were on sale at A-Main, so I just picked it up. Comes with a transmitter, a brushed ESC, and a brushed motor. Now I'll probably swap out the transmitter for my own transmitter. And bottom. Alright, let's get to opening this up. Alright. So, even though this is ready to run, there's still some assembly required. Basically, the Unimog body needs to be finished up, and you need to put together some of the parts for the Unimog body. Here's the front grille. And I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, it looks like part of the bed on the side of the truck. So alright, this is the transmitter it comes with. Like my MST MTX1 video earlier, it comes with the same one. This is the MST XTR02 transmitter. And take a look at the controls there. And again, their wheel doesn't use foam, it uses rubber on the steering wheel. Okay, so here we got some decals. Brochure of the CMX with some different CMX versions, as well as a list of some of the option parts. There's a nice bit of scale parts. Instruction book here, as well as some more looks like tools and spares. I think the truck actually comes with extra springs as well. Let's see if I can find out this. Well, I can't tell from here, but let's move on to, I know the kit comes with extra springs, I just don't know the RTR comes with extra springs. Okay. And there you have the CMX chassis. It's zip tied. Let me go see if I can take care of that. Alright, I freed the truck from the zip ties. See if I can take it out now. There you go. It's a CMX. It's a center mount transmission. The CFX has a forward mount transmission and motor. Yeah. Battery tray up front. It's axle mounted steering. 4-link. Let's take a look at the Unimog body. So I said the Unimog body needs some finishing up. The body mounts aren't on here yet, but they're in the bag. So once you get those body posts put up, then you'll be able to put the body on right there. But it should be a fun chassis. As you may know, the CMX and CFX fit all Tamiya bodies. This Unimog body is actually a Tamiya body. But this truck fits, like, almost all the Tamiya bodies fit this truck. And that's what's so nice about this platform. It's about the same size as a Tamiya CC-01. So all in all, I'm really excited to have this truck. On top of this truck also sharing a lot of parts with the MTX-1, so a lot of things I'll be able to do there. Thanks for watching.